Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 2 minutes. So let's start. The first thing you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. So let's start. First of all, we're going to make the entire slide clean. Then we're going to insert one rectangle circle, change the height and width to 10. Then we're going to duplicate it and intersect both of these circles. This makes a leaf-like shape. Then what we're going to do with this shape is duplicate it, rotate it like this, then duplicate it again, flip it horizontally, push down to the left side, duplicate both one of these, and then we're gonna rotate it, put it right here. Then we're gonna flip it horizontally after duplicating it. Then we're gonna send them to the back. Select all of these, remove their outline, go to format shape, give them a gradient. I'm gonna go with a red gradient, just like this. We're gonna give transparency at one red stop. Then what we're gonna do is add our text. Here we are. The next step is to duplicate the text and put it at the back side. Here we go. Then we're going to duplicate the slide, go to the first slide and put everything out of your slide. After doing this, what you have to do is select both of your templates, and then we have to give them the move transition to both of your slides. So yeah, this is the final result. If you want this template for free, ask for the link in the description, in the comments, and I will send you the link.